When you walk into the Buckingham, you're greeted with a good-sized open hallway, stairs leading upstairs and various rooms leading off of this area. The show home is a handed version of the Buckingham, so everything is opposite to the plans. As you can see, there's plenty of space in this hallway, so it can be used as a catch-all space with a console, shoe storage or even a seating bench. Off to the right is the smallest reception room, which in this show home is styled as an office, but it could have a range of uses, for instance a library, a music room, playroom, games room or snug. To the left of the front door is a large living room which has plenty of space for a range of seating configurations. Moving through the living room, you enter the dining room, which again is large enough. This setup has seating for 8 people and there's enough room for additional pieces of furniture, decor and plants. It also has French doors leading to the garden, so it's a perfect room to entertain in. The dining room also leads through to the family room and kitchen, which is a versatile space for a family. It is large enough to have a dining table in here for everyday dining or for a breakfast nook, but equally the table styled here could be swapped out for a functional island. There is plenty of cupboard space in the kitchen, which leaves room for clear countertops. There is a sofa in the family room section, which provides additional seating, or again this could be swapped for a table for baking, crafts or messy activities that families might like to do. The laundry room has a door that leads out to what will be the double garage with 4 parking spaces. There is space for appliances and again lots of cupboard space for storing items away. The garden can also be accessed by another set of French doors in the kitchen, and there's a window directly behind the sink so you can look out whilst washing dishes. Back in the hallway there is a cupboard under the stairs for storage and a cloakroom opposite. This house is a special version of the Buckingham because it is designed to be a Category 2 house, which is accessible both downstairs and upstairs. 4 out of the 5 bedrooms are accessible, which is why it's listed as a 4-bed instead of a 5-bed. This is beneficial to all buyers though, because it means that the bedrooms are on the larger side, even the one that's not classed as accessible. But let's take a look upstairs so you can see for yourself. This room is the bonus room on the plans, so it's basically the 5th bedroom that isn't accessible. As you can see though, a proper double bed, wardrobe and desk area all fit in nicely with room to walk around. If you were to buy a house like this and sell it on, you would be able to market it as a 5-bed. It's only the developer that needs to market it as a 4-bed for planning purposes. This is bedroom 4 on the plans, and you can see the difference in the amount of space available. There is enough room for a range of furniture options. The boiler is in a cupboard in the hallway next to the bathroom. Again, as this house is designed to be entirely accessible, the bathroom is larger than what you can expect to find in a lot of new build homes. There is a large walk-in shower which is separate to the bath, which is preferable for some people, and it has a window for ventilation as well. The main bedroom suite is entirely along one side of the house, so it doesn't share walls with any of the other bedrooms. It is large enough to accommodate bedroom furniture and have enough space for a conversation area. The dressing room and ensuite are off to the side. There is enough storage space for clothes, a dressing or console table to get ready, and it has its own window. The ensuite is similar to the bathroom in that the shower is a walk-in unit separate to the bath, making it more accessible. Next to the bonus room are the stairs leading to the 2nd floor. There are lots of stairs in what is supposed to be an accessible house, but I imagine that there are plenty of options for stair lifts. On to bedroom 2 then. They have shown you how you can use the eaves as storage using a built-in wardrobe system, and again there is space for a range of furniture pieces in this room. It doesn't feel cramped considering it's in the roof space and has sloped ceilings because the dormer windows provide additional height and light as well. A door leads through to the Jack and Jill bathroom, which again has a separate bath and shower. Instead of leading to another bedroom, the second door leads through to the hallway. There is another little storage cupboard in this hallway which you can store bits and pieces in. Bedroom 3 is the final room and is similar in structure to bedroom 2. They've shown a different wardrobe option in this one. There isn't a door leading to the bathroom, so there's more variety in terms of furniture placement.